Hello and welcome back to iPhone Made Simple. If you've ever recorded a video on your iPhone and wished it looked a little better, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you a few simple tips that can instantly improve the videos you record. You don't need any special equipment or editing apps. Section 1. Clean the camera lens. Before recording, give your camera lens a quick wipe. A fingerprint on the lens can make videos look soft or hazy. A soft cloth is all you need. Section 2. Hold the phone steady. Try to keep your phone as steady as possible. Use both hands. Lean against something if you need to. Steady footage almost always looks more professional. Section 3. Use good lighting. Good lighting makes a huge difference. Face a window indoors. Stand with the light in front of you. Section 4. Record in landscape mode. If you're filming something important, try turning your phone sideways. Landscape video often looks better on TVs, tablets and computer screens. You don't need expensive equipment to record better videos. Simple habits like these can make a noticeable difference. I post simple iPhone tips like this each week to make everyday use easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.